Okay, so you can see the location of the thyroid gland. It is located in the front part of the neck, just below the larynx or the voice box. On the posterior surface of the thyroid, you can see a pair of parathyroid glands, which are highlighted in green here. Now, as far as thyroid is concerned, the main hormone produced by the thyroid is thyroxine. There's another hormone produced by the thyroid that is called calcitonin, but that is not there in your syllabus in grade 10. You will study about it in higher classes. Now, thyroxine, the most important component or the ingredient required for the synthesis of thyroxine is iodine. Deficiency of iodine in the diet can result in reduced production or synthesis of thyroxine hormone, and that causes a condition called as simple goiter. In simple goiter, there is an enlargement in the neck due to there's a swelling in the neck due to enlargement of the thyroid gland, which is caused due to hyposecretion of thyroxine on account of lack of iodine or deficiency of iodine in the diet. This condition, simple goiter, is very much common or endemic in the Himalayan regions, in the sub-Himalayan regions, due to the deficiency of the iodine in the soil there. Now, the functions of thyroxine, it's the main hormone that regulates basal metabolism, that is cellular oxidation and heat production when your body is at rest. So therefore, it helps in controlling the chemical activities or the metabolic activities in your body. Apart from being the regulator of the metabolism, this hormone is also responsible for normal physical and mental development. It causes ossification of bones, and it also regulates the body temperature. A deficiency of thyroxine in childhood causes a condition called cretinism. Now, in cretinism, the child will show symptoms of retarded physical and mental growth. The reason is early atrophy or degeneration of the thyroid in childhood. So early atrophy or degeneration of the thyroid gland will cause cretinism in childhood. Now, in case of adults, the undersecretion or hyposecretion of thyroxine causes myxedema. The symptoms of myxedema include swelling of hands and face, lethargy or sluggishness, reduced heart rate or slow heartbeat, and low body temperature. So these are the symptoms of myxedema. Now coming to the condition that is caused due to hypersecretion of thyroxine. Hypersecretion of thyroxine causes exophthalmic goiter. Goiter means there is an enlargement of the thyroid gland, which is evident as a swelling in the neck. Exophthalmic means the eyes appear to be protruding outward. Ophthalmo means eyes and exo means outward. So the protruding of the eyeballs is due to the deposition of excess fats behind the eyeball. Apart from protruding of the eyeball and goiter, there is increased heart rate, weight loss, and shortness of breath, which are the symptoms of exophthalmic goiter. So this, my dear friends, is in short about the thyroid gland. The next glands that I'm going to discuss are the pancreas and the adrenal glands.